So what we're doing here is we're installing a 3x4 drain pipe, and we're bringing it down. We've lined it with an ice cable, and we're going to feed it through the window. So when the ice comes, it's in here all the way up. You can see here how the cable goes down. And we've first installed new pipe, and we just simply get a hold of our cable. So these are 60-foot cables. This is all we need. I like to run them individually in case there's a problem. Instead of going with a 120, don't get me wrong, it's fine to do it that way, but these are separate pipes, and we've got a huge roof here, all flowing down to this troubled corner. So the more chance you have, the better. All right, Leo, we're over here at your home in Brookline, and we've just installed 3x4 aluminum drain pipes, and we lined them with an ice cable. What do you have to say?
Well, there's a lot of support here at the elbow to feed this extra downspout into the clean out.
Yes.
So we're making use of that clean out.
And this should take care of all of the ice problems that we had.
Now we got 3 downspouts, like in this corner of the house. If I don't get any phone calls this winter, I'll be satisfied.
Okay, well, if you get a phone call, we're going to come back and take care of business. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right.